Get ready, because the gadgets you're about to see almost don't look real. These are some of the most incredible home gadgets you can find on Amazon. Smart, creative, and so satisfying to use that once you see them, you'll want them instantly. From clever problem solvers to futuristic tools that make everyday tasks easier. Stay until the end, because some of these will seriously surprise you. All the links are in the description. Stepping out of the shower should feel warm and comfortable, not cold and slippery. The Olanli Chenille Bath Mat creates a soft landing the moment your feet touch the floor. Its plush fibers absorb water quickly, helping keep your bathroom dry while adding cozy comfort. The textured rubber backing keeps the mat stable on the floor, while the fast-drying material makes daily use simple. Washable and durable, it stays fresh even after repeated cleaning. A small comfort that makes every shower feel better for $9.47. Dry air can quietly ruin a good night of sleep. You wake up with a dry throat, irritated skin, and a room that never feels comfortable. The Dreo Smart Humidifier restores balance to your space with a steady cool mist that spreads evenly through the room. Its large 4-liter tank delivers up to 36 hours of continuous humidity, helping you breathe easier through the night. Smart sensors automatically adjust the mist to maintain the right moisture level, while voice and application control make adjustments effortless. Despite the powerful performance, the quiet design keeps your bedroom peaceful. A simple upgrade for healthier air at $44.98. Modern desks and living spaces fill up with devices faster than wall outlets can handle. Phones, laptops, chargers, and gadgets quickly create a messy tangle of cables. The JouleLoom Power Strip brings everything together in one compact solution. With 11 AC outlets and 6 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, it powers multiple devices at the same time without clutter. The slim, flat plug slides easily behind furniture, helping you save space while keeping your setup clean. Built-in surge protection adds an extra layer of safety for your electronics, while smart USB charging adjusts power automatically for phones, tablets, and other devices. A single switch lets you control everything instantly. Cleaner power, smarter organization, and more convenience for $19.99. Standing for long periods can slowly wear down your feet, knees, and lower back. Whether you are cooking, washing dishes, or working at a standing desk, comfort makes a real difference. This anti-fatigue kitchen mat adds a thick, cushioned layer that supports your body while you stand. The dense memory foam absorbs pressure, helping reduce strain during everyday tasks. Its waterproof surface protects your floors from spills and splashes, while the non-slip backing keeps the mat stable in busy kitchens or workspaces. Easy to wipe clean and built for daily use, it brings comfort to the places where you spend the most time standing. A simple upgrade for everyday comfort at $46.99. Scrubbing bathrooms and kitchens by hand can turn into a tiring chore that takes far too long. The 2U Spin Cleaner changes that routine with a powerful rotating brush that breaks down grime in seconds. Its cordless design lets you move freely around the house, while the adjustable extension handle helps you reach floors, tubs, tiles, and corners without bending or kneeling. 2 speed settings give you control for light cleaning or tougher stains. The waterproof body and interchangeable brush heads make it ready for bathrooms, kitchens, and other surfaces around the home. Faster cleaning with far less effort for $35.99. The air inside your home may look clean, yet tiny particles float around all day. Dust, pet dander, pollen, and lingering odors quietly affect how the space feels. The MOOKA Air Purifier helps refresh your environment with powerful multi-layer filtration. Designed for rooms up to 430 square feet, it pulls air through a true HEPA system that captures extremely small particles before they circulate again. The activated carbon layer helps reduce unwanted odors, while the quiet motor keeps the room peaceful for sleep or work. Multiple fan speeds and timer options allow you to adjust the airflow depending on the moment. A gentle night light adds a calm glow for evening use. Cleaner air and a more comfortable home for $49.99. Bathroom tools should solve problems quickly without making the space look messy. The Forasto Toilet Plunger Set combines 2 essential tools in one organized design. On one side, a powerful plunger with an extended handle helps clear stubborn clogs while keeping your hands farther from splashes. The added length gives you better leverage and control when pressure matters most. Right beside it, the sturdy brush features durable bristles that scrub the bowl from every angle, helping remove stains and buildup with ease. Once the job is done, both tools store neatly in the compact holder, keeping everything clean and out of sight. The subtle striped design blends naturally with modern bathrooms instead of standing out like typical cleaning tools. A simple, practical solution that keeps your bathroom ready for anything at $13.99. Dark hallways and bedrooms should feel calm, not completely black. The LOHAS LED nightlight adds a gentle glow that guides your steps without disturbing sleep. You can adjust the color tone and brightness to create the atmosphere you want, from warm and relaxing to brighter visibility. Its built-in dusk to dawn sensor turns the light on automatically at night and off again in the morning. The elegant bubble design casts soft light upward and downward, creating a cozy and modern accent in any room. A simple comfort for $18.18. Counters and desks often look cluttered the moment cables and chargers start piling up. The Anquan pop-up outlet hides that problem inside your surface. Installed directly into a countertop or desk, it stays flush and discreet until you tap the touch panel and watch it rise smoothly. Suddenly, you have 4 AC outlets and multiple USB ports ready to power laptops, phones, and everyday devices. Even when the unit is lowered, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered simply by placing it there. When you are finished, it retracts back into the surface, leaving your space clean and modern again. A smart upgrade for organized power that keeps surfaces tidy, and technology within reach for $119.99. Plastic grocery bags always seem to pile up in a drawer or get stuffed somewhere under the sink. The StoraBag Organizer turns that messy habit into a simple storage system. Its slim vertical design holds up to 40 bags while taking very little space in your pantry, cabinet, or under the sink. Just push bags in through the top, and the spring platform inside keeps them ready to grab one at a time whenever you need one. A small indicator changes color when the container is full, so you know when it is time to empty it. The removable lid makes unloading quick and easy, while the non-slip base keeps it steady as you pull bags out. Made with durable materials and recycled plastic, it helps keep your kitchen organized while encouraging reuse instead of waste. A clean and practical way to store bags for $34.99. Hot rooms can make it hard to relax or sleep comfortably. The Dreo Tower Fan moves air quickly through the entire room while keeping a slim design that fits almost anywhere. Its powerful motor pushes a strong stream of cool air, while the 90-degree oscillation spreads that airflow across the space instead of blasting in just one direction. You can choose between 4 speeds and 4 modes to match the moment, whether you want a gentle breeze at night or stronger cooling during the day. The sleep mode keeps things quiet so the fan will not disturb your rest, and the 8-hour timer lets it shut off automatically while you sleep. A removable rear grille also makes cleaning simple when dust builds up. It is a practical upgrade for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces that need better airflow for $59.99. Some rooms feel calm the moment you walk in. This flame aroma diffuser helps create that atmosphere instantly. Instead of a simple mist, it combines soft light and vapor to produce a realistic flame effect that gently moves like a small fireplace on your desk or nightstand. 7 changing colors glow through the mist, turning the diffuser into a relaxing ambient light for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and the room slowly fills with fragrance while the ultrasonic system releases a fine, cool mist. It runs quietly in the background so it will not interrupt work, reading, or sleep. You can also set a timer for 1, 3, or 5 hours, and the diffuser automatically shuts off when the water runs out for extra safety. A small device that transforms the mood of any room for $25.99. Laundry piles up quickly, and separating clothes can turn into a daily hassle. The Joseph Tota laundry basket simplifies that routine with a smart dual compartment design. Inside the basket, you will find 2 removable fabric bags that let you separate lights and darks from the start. saving time on laundry day. Each bag has strong handles, so you can lift it out and carry it directly to the washing machine without dragging the entire basket. There is even an extra handle at the bottom to make emptying clothes easier. Once you return the bags, they slide neatly back into place, and the lid keeps everything looking clean and organized. With a large 90-liter capacity, it handles laundry for bedrooms, bathrooms, or utility rooms while maintaining a modern and tidy appearance. A practical upgrade for keeping laundry organized for $91.99. Cleaning floors does not have to mean carrying heavy buckets or dealing with messy water. The HOMTOYOU Spray Mop makes daily floor cleaning much simpler. Its built-in spray bottle lets you apply just the right amount of cleaning solution directly onto the floor with a quick trigger press. The microfiber pads pick up dust, dirt, and even pet hair while gliding smoothly across the surface. The rotating head moves freely in every direction, allowing the mop to slide under furniture and reach tight spaces that are usually difficult to clean. It works on many floor types including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and stone. The reusable pads can be washed and used again, and the refillable bottle helps reduce waste while saving money on disposable products. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it is a practical tool that keeps floors looking fresh every day for $16.99. Brooms, mops, and cleaning tools often end up leaning in corners or piled inside a messy closet. The Holikme wall broom holder helps turn that clutter into a clean and organized space. This wall-mounted organizer features 4 spring-loaded slots that grip handles firmly, keeping tools securely in place. In addition, 4 sturdy hooks provide extra space to hang cloths, brushes, or small tools. The metal construction is lightweight yet durable and designed to resist rust, making it suitable for kitchens, laundry rooms, garages, or even garden storage. Because the slots and hooks can be repositioned, you can adjust the layout to fit different items and handle sizes. Installation is quick, and once mounted, it keeps everything visible and easy to reach while freeing up valuable floor space. A simple upgrade that keeps cleaning tools neatly stored for $8.99. Folding clothes neatly can take time, and stacks often end up uneven inside drawers. The BoxLegend folding board helps create clean, uniform folds in seconds. Simply place the shirt on the board and flip the panels to fold it quickly into a perfect rectangle. Shirts, sweaters, hoodies, and even towels come out neatly organized every time. The durable plastic design is strong enough for daily use while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. When you finish, the board folds flat so it can slide behind a washer or inside a drawer. A simple tool that helps keep closets tidy and clothes perfectly stacked for $16.99. Bathroom counters can quickly become cluttered with toothbrushes, toothpaste, and small items. The iHave Toothbrush Holder helps organize everything in one simple wall-mounted system. It includes a built-in toothpaste dispenser that pushes the right amount each time, reducing waste and keeping things clean. The top shelf adds space for small bathroom items while hidden compartments help store everyday essentials. Installation uses a strong adhesive, so no drilling is required. A practical way to keep the bathroom tidy for $16.99. A living room sofa should be comfortable, versatile, and ready for guests. The Super Sleeper Sectional combines all 3 in one smart design. At first glance, it looks like a modern L-shaped sofa, but the center section smoothly pulls out to transform into a spacious sleeper whenever you need an extra bed. The chaise lounge also opens to reveal hidden storage, giving you a convenient place to keep blankets, pillows, or everyday items out of sight. Adjustable headrests let you customize the seating position for relaxing, watching movies, or reading. The cushions are filled with thick, high-density foam that provides lasting support, while the soft microfiber fabric feels comfortable and resists everyday wear. Designed to fit modern living spaces while adding extra functionality, it becomes the centerpiece of any room for $999. Rugs that slide or curl at the corners can quickly become annoying and even dangerous. Home Techpro rug grippers help keep your rugs flat and firmly in place. These thin pads attach underneath the corners of your rug and use vacuum grip technology to hold tightly to the floor. When pressure is applied from above, the small suction design creates a strong grip that prevents movement without damaging the surface underneath. Each pack includes 16 pads, giving you enough to secure multiple rugs around the house. The low-profile design stays hidden and can even be washed without removing them from the rug. A simple way to stop rugs from sliding for $35.99. Cooking small meals does not need a big appliance. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker makes quick portions simple and convenient. Just add rice, water, or ingredients like pasta, oatmeal, or vegetables and press the cook button. In less than 20 minutes, your meal is ready. The non-stick pot removes easily for quick cleaning, and the keep warm function holds food at the right temperature after cooking. Its compact size fits small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel spaces. A handy cooker for $24.99. Sweeping floors often leaves that last line of dirt that is hard to collect with a dustpan. The iVac Touchless vacuum solves that problem instantly. Just sweep dust, crumbs, or pet hair toward the unit, and the infrared sensors automatically activate powerful suction to pull everything inside. There is no need to bend down or chase debris across the floor. Its strong motor quickly removes dirt from kitchens, entryways, and areas where pets leave hair or litter. The internal filtration system helps capture fine dust while returning cleaner air to the room. Designed for quick everyday cleanups, it makes floor maintenance faster and easier for $169. Cold rooms can feel uncomfortable, especially during quiet evenings at home. This portable electric fireplace heater adds both warmth and atmosphere to your space. The realistic three-dimensional LED flame creates the look of a cozy fireplace while the heater quietly warms the room. You can choose between 4 modes, including flame only for decoration or heat levels for colder days. The built-in thermostat helps maintain a comfortable temperature automatically. Safety features such as tip-over protection and overheating shutoff provide extra peace of mind during use. Lightweight and easy to move, it works well in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices for $66.99.